Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Solana from Kucoin to Metamask in 2025. If you're looking to move your Sol tokens seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for the latest updates since crypto evolves quickly. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Kucoin account with some Solana in it, and Metamask installed on your browser or mobile app. Remember, Metamask primarily supports Ethereum, but with the Solana network added via extensions or updates, you can handle Sol just fine. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallet section and find your Solana balance. Click on Withdraw next to Solana. This will open a form where you'll enter the withdrawal details. Step 2. In Metamask, switch to the Solana network if you haven't already. You might need to add it manually by going to Settings and selecting Custom RPC Networks. Once that's done, copy your Metamask wallet address. It's that long string of characters, double-check it to avoid any slip-ups. Step 3. Back on Kucoin, paste your Metamask address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Sol you want to send, making sure it's above the minimum withdrawal limit, usually around 0.01 Sol plus network fees. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or text, so keep an eye on that. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. Blockchain transfers can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Metamask wallet to see your Sol arrive. Pro tip. Always use a small test amount first to ensure everything works smoothly and to avoid any potential losses. There you have it. That's how you send Solana from Kucoin to MetaMask in 2025. Remember, security is key in crypto, so enable two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.